geeks, welcome to another episode of Geek of CHIC, the fashion tech web series that combines fashion and function. I'm your host, Marissa Rose Gordon, and we're here today at TechDay New York 2019, the largest startup event in the US. We are so excited to be here today. We're gonna check out some wearables, some gadgets, and some apps. Let's go! I'm here at TechDay New York 2019 with the president of all of the tech days who runs everything.
Hi, I'm Walter Charnes. I'm the president of Continental Exhibitions, a trade show management company that owns and produces the Tech Day series of events. We produce Tech Day here in New York, in Los Angeles, and in London, as well as the Tech Day monthly meetup series here in New York City. So what we see on the show floor is an assembly of technology entrepreneurs, people who are starting up their businesses, some at the very, very earliest stage of things, some a little more mature. Some people out there just finished their Series B funding rounds and just recently received upwards of $80 million in investment. Some people in there are living on their mother's couch with a credit card and a dream. Both find an opportunity here. This event democratizes access of opportunity to the investment community, to the talent community, to the entrepreneurial ecosystem within New York City, which is a vibrant and successful and strong community. And what we're seeing on the show floor is evidence of that. We see more attendees here than we did a year ago. In fact, more than we've had in the 8-year history of the event. This is the largest show we've ever produced in New York. And we have found a home here at the Jacob Javits Convention Center. This is the center of business in New York City as far as I'm concerned for events like this. It's expanding, our show is expanding, and we're looking to see it grow into the future.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Pleasure. Thank you for joining us.
Really appreciate it.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
Hey geeks, I'm here with Giacomo, the CEO of Bespokino.
At Bespokino, we have figured it all out. Custom shirts for everyone and anyone. We've automated the process, down to your fingertips, in your pocket on your phone. Measure yourself for your desired fit using our patented self-measuring tool, comfortable or tailored. Takes only 9 clicks to create your Bespokino profile.
Hey Giacomo, thanks for joining us today.
Of course, thanks for having me.
Could you tell us a little bit about your company?
For sure. So we are a custom shirt vending machine application. It's a great business model. It's B2A, B2B, B2C, B2D, the whole 9 yards. And the beauty of it is that we have a patented measuring tool that everyone's body will fall into. So you take one of these shirts, you put it on, you size yourself up. It could be done on the tablet over here. And then through your phone, I need my cell phone to show them, you're able to customize and design custom shirts and have them delivered to your home whenever you want.
That is so cool. How did you come up with this idea?
So we own a custom clothing company. We make custom suits and custom shirts. And I realized there's a problem using the measuring tape because everyone wants a different type of fit. So I said, why don't I create a measuring tool and patent it where almost anyone's body could fall in there, and then they basically close it, if you see here, whatever button they want. This way they're getting the fit that they want. So we created them, and then I said, let's make an app out of it so you guys can see here there's the app. And now they're able to design custom shirts from their phone.
That is incredible.
And stuff like this doesn't exist right now. Like, it doesn't exist in the world. I think we're the only people to do it. With our model, the fit is guaranteed, and you get to simulate the feel that you want, and that's exactly what you're going to get. This project and concept that we came up with, in my opinion, could be bigger than Uber one day, because it could be mimicked everywhere in the world. Anyone can buy this. Please download the app.
Awesome, Giacomo. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Hey geeks, I'm here at Rent Alia with co-founders Nisha and Lauren. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Lauren, can you tell us a little bit about your brand?
Sure. Thank you so much for having us on the show. Yeah, so we are a ethnic rental platform for apparel. So if you are going to an Indian or Pakistani wedding, you can come to us and we would provide you an outfit for rental. You don't have to own it for your event. So eventually we want to be the one-stop shop for all ethnic wear. So starting off in the South Asian space, but hoping to go global.
That is incredible. And how did you come up with the idea?
Well, I'm glad you asked. Nisha and I are from Columbia Business School. We started this company at school. We sat next to each other serendipitously in Foundations of Entrepreneurship. And really just fell in love with each other because we both love fashion and we both love technology, and we really wanted to put those two together in something that we felt passionate about.
That is incredible. And does one of you guys want to tell us like a little bit about your app and how it works?
Sure, yeah, totally. So basically, if you have an outfit that you'd like to rent out, you come to our website and you fill out a short quiz, and then you send us your garment and we'll check it for quality, give you a number that you'll get every time it rents, you'll get paid. And there's an account that you'll have that deposits the money in it. And as a renter, it's similar to Rent the Runway, where you book for a calendar online.
So what does the consumer feel like is the best part of this app? Like what changes the game for them with your app?
It is seamless. It's seamless. So you come on, you build your own profile of what you want. So what kind of colors you like, what kind of outfits that you typically wear when you go to these types of events. And we will work with you through our technology to give you the best outfit. And really in this market, it all comes down to fit. We want to have the best fitting outfit for you as the consumer.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing with us.
Yeah, I'd love to meet more, geeks of tech.
Yes, and can you guys show us your geekiest pose to the camera?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I'm here with Tyler from Silent Beacon.
Absolutely. So Silent Beacon is a wearable safety device that when pressed, it actually will call whoever you choose to call, whether it be 911, emergency services, a family member, relative, and it also will convey your GPS location to 6 other contacts in the event of emergency. You press the buttons and it'll simultaneously at the same time, and it'll basically will instantly make the phone call and send out your GPS location via text message, email, and push notification.
And so what are the different ways in which your customers wear this device?
So, as you can see here, I put it on my keychain, so when I'm walking at night, if I'm approached by anybody, I can press the beacon buttons directly. It's reinforced at the top to be worn as a pendant, and also there's a wearable clip that you can clip to your clothes. That's another way you can wear it too.
Awesome. And how does your company differ from other companies? Are you the only ones doing something like this?
The number one thing that separates us between a lot of the other companies is that this is a Bluetooth device, and it uses all the technology that's already existing in your cell phone. So what makes the best part about that is that there's no monthly fees. So a lot of the products that are out there, they require a monthly fee to have, the service on and ready. With ours, there's no monthly fees at all. Basically, it's there when you need it. You pay for it once, put it on your keychain, it's there when you need it, God forbid. Yeah.
No, that is so useful. I love it. So who is your target demographic for customers?
We still do target, women above 30, but now women in college. Because on average, 1 in 4 women experience some kind of unwanted contact in college, and that's why we're here as a company. We want to tackle that market and just be like, we need that needs to stop now. It needs to stop. So that's our target demographic is really just active seniors, realtors, and women above 30 and women in college.
Awesome, Tyler. Thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it.
Enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Hey, Geeks. I'm here with Eliza, the CEO and co-founder of Kippot.
Our company is called Kippot. We want to become an object management system for all of your most important personal possessions. So if I tried to leave from my house in the morning but I'd forgotten my laptop charger, I would get a notification on my phone reminding me to go back and pick it up. How it works is you get the Kippot kit, which is a small sensor that goes into your bag, and then you put little RFID stickers on all of your most important items. And then the phone has a database of what's there versus what should be there, and that's how it knows to send you reminders.
What inspired this idea?
Yeah, absolutely. So we make RFID-enabled bag liners so that you always know what you've packed and what you're missing. And if you do try to leave a space without something that you're supposed to have, we actually send you a phone notification within seconds telling you to go back and get it. So I came up with this because I'm frankly a very forgetful person when it comes to my stuff. And I'm so focused on my deadlines and my work and my friends and my life. And I don't want to have to think about whether I have my stuff. I just want to have it always with me, and Kippot guarantees that.
That is amazing. So can you tell us a little bit about how the technology works?
Yeah, so we use RFID, which if you've ever badged into a building, it's literally the exact same technology. We've just adapted it so that it fits into the volume of a bag. So it creates a magnetic field, and you've tagged everything that you need to keep track of, and as you take it in or out, it registers that in the field, and it's associated with the items that you want to keep track of.
That is so cool. And so what is keeping track of these items? How do I know what's in my bag?
Yeah, so there's a lining. Actually, the lining looks like this. That just Velcros into your bag. And so that's what's creating this magnetic field. And then you've got little stickers, and those are the things that are disrupting the field and sending along unique identifiers through the sensor. And then on your phone app, that's where you register what that specific sticker is for. So it can be for your keys, it can be for your medicine, it can be for your wallet, it can be for any equipment you own. Anything that you can slap a sticker on, we can track.
And now, are these stickers safe for clothing?
Absolutely, they're safe for clothing, metal items, anything that you can think of, really.
That is amazing. And can I say if I put one of these tags on my scarf, could I throw it in the washing machine?
Absolutely. It's really been designed for that. You know, RFID has been around for decades. It's used in hotels to keep track of their towels. It's used in supply chain management. We're just taking that same technology and bringing it to everyone.
That is so cool. And so if any of our geeks want to come check out your product, where can they find it?
Absolutely. You can find us online at kippot.tech. We're also on Instagram and on Twitter, so find us there.
Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much, Eliza.
Yeah, it's great to meet you.
Hey, geeks, you will never guess who I just ran into at TechDay New York 2019. It is Amanda McIntyre Chavis of Women of Wearables. Oh my gosh. Amanda?
Yes.
How are you?
I am so well and geeky as usual. Yes, indeed. I love my Geek of Chic. I'm so happy to run into you ladies. How are you? Enjoying Tech Day? What's happening? Tell me what's happening.
We are loving it. We have met so many talented and kind and amazing people with such incredible ideas. But honestly, we were most excited to bump into you.
Well, likewise. I was like, wait, is that Geek of Chic? I've got to come over and say hello, you know? So I'm very excited to be here today. You know, Tech Day is just amazing. There's so many sponsors, new tech, fashion tech, med tech, you name it, you know, and as a New York ambassador of Women of Wearables, you know, we're always looking at a bunch of different things, you know, and that can really range. Most people think that wearables is just about fashion tech. Really, it kind of ranges. You know, it could be anywhere from hardware all the way up to AR, VR, and AI. And so, you know, we really run the gamut. And just like, you know, hey, we're the girls, we run the world, you know? We're involved in everything, and I'm just so excited to see a lot of women out here representing a lot of these companies. And I am really looking forward to seeing some more of these brands really make it and maybe invest in them. Who knows?
I love that. And can you tell me a little bit more about your role as the New York ambassador for Women of Wearables?
Absolutely. So basically I'm representing for the ladies. You know, at the end of the day, we are really just working to help founders get funding, you know, get awareness around their products, you know, help other engineers connect with, you know, people that are looking for engineers to help their product move forward. You know, what I love about Women of Wearables is that we're really truly a community and we're so diverse. You know, you come to a meetup, you see a founder or an investor or a neuroscientist. You never know who you're going to meet when you get there, you know.
Love it. Thank you so much for your time. Can I give you a hug?
Of course. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Geek of Chic. Stay geeky.
That's right. Stay geeky. Hey geeks, thank you so much for joining us at Tech Day New York 2019. We saw so many amazing gadgets, wearables, and apps. Such a great day. Please follow Geek of Chic on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media fun. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Marissa Rose Gordon. Stay geeky.